Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Oh, there's no signal. Oh, hi. You saw just now, right? I'm trying to make a call, but the other person is not able to hear me, right? This is exactly what happens. No matter, I'll give you the best teacher in the world. But if your mind is not able to receive the signal, just like this phone is not able to receive the signal right now, you cannot have the conversation. The same way, even though I give you the best teachers, if your mind is not prepared for preparing for CSIR NET, you cannot prepare for CSIR NET. And that is what is happening everywhere. Many students like you will think that if I enroll into a coaching, I'll qualify, but that's not the truth. That is why at Biotecnika, we start the classes with motivational sessions, then we move on to habit management, memory management, and many such other modules, which will prepare your mind first to prepare for CSIR NET. If your mind is prepared, you can climb Mount Everest also. So first you have to make up your mind. And motivation is the key to follow the methodology, to unlock the methodology which will help you achieve CSIR NET, JRF or LS. So this is the mistake many students make. They think that if I enroll with the best teachers, I'm going to qualify. But that's not the truth. The truth is, you have to first make up your mind. And at Biotecnika, we understand it very well. You attended the first session of Lakshya Batch. You saw how we not just motivate you, we give you a recipe to success. We give you a methodology, we give you a complete foolproof plan to achieve success. Because first your mind has to be ready to receive the signal which the teacher is going to transmit. The teacher will teach and go. It is his job. But you have to receive the signal with full mind, with full presence, and you should be able to assimilate it. Nowadays at Biotecnika, we have started another methodology to make it further even better. And that is, after every class, my students are designing a flow chart and sending it to me as a picture in WhatsApp. And I'm reviewing it myself personally. And that way, if the student did some mistake or if there is any flaw, we are able to give a real-time feedback. So on one hand, the student is completely present during the class. On the other hand, he has also revised it by making a flowchart immediately after the class. Isn't that amazing? So on one hand, we prepare your mind. On the other hand, we make you think strategically. We make you prepare your notes scientifically. And then success happens. We are Biotecnika. We believe in studying science scientifically, and we invite all of you to be a part of this success story where we build numerous JRFs every year. Last year, 600 plus students have qualified. This year, we want that success history to repeat. So what are you waiting for? Biotecnika is the one-stop solution to all your research career requirements. You require an internship, we have it. You require a scholarship, we have it. You require any kind of opportunity, we have it. So come prepare for CSIR NET with Biotecnika, where first we prepare your mind to receive the signal, then you have received the signal from the teacher, and then you have processed it using scientific mind maps and flowcharts. Isn't that amazing? So let's come together to prepare for CSIR NET. Classes have already started for Lakshya Batch. What are you waiting for? Come join us and we will prepare for CSIR NET together. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.